Hey there, this is Rasmin, and hope by the title you got to know what my craft is all about today. So it's a spec holder. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here I have taken a piece of cardboard and I have an image of a man. So I'm going to copy this image on the cardboard. You can do this with the help of the carbon paper. So in the next step, we are going to cut out this image with the help of paper cutter. Cut out a small piece of 2 cm length from the ear portion, and also we shall cut out another piece on the bottom measuring 5 cm length and half centimeter breadth. We'll cut this out so that we can place it another piece of cardboard and make it stand. Here I have 4 pieces of cardboard of 5 by 8 cm dimension. I'm using 2 more pieces of cardboard of 2 cm breadth and 16 cm length for placing it on the ear. For making the cardboard thick, I'm covering this with tissue paper and glue. I'm using a piece of paper tape on the nose so that the spec doesn't slip. It's done. Now paint it with the color you choose. This is how it looks. If you like the craft for the week, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment below.